Hello, guys, welcome once again to Salim's Academy. Today, I have come with a different stuff in front of you, and that is called scribble art. Okay, so what is scribble art? Generally, we draw pictures by using outline, then shading, all this kind of stuff. But in scribble art, there is no outline, no shading. Rather, simply scribbling various shapes, you create beautiful. Look, guys, this video is a basic tutorial in order to bring to you what is scribble art, how to do it, and at the end of the video you are like, oh, it's so simple, anyone can do that. Of course. So what are the basic requirements for doing scribble art? Okay, you don't need anything like an artist, just need an iPad or any tablet where you can download the software called Adobe Draw. And then if you get a device like Apple Pencil or any other pencil devices, it will be more sharp and beautiful. But never mind, if you don't have a pencil, of course, by using your fingertips also you can draw this diagram beautifully. And the fun is you don't require any special abilities to do scribble art, but at the end you're like, really, such a beautiful picture did I draw? So do not skip, watch it step by step, and I'm sure the hidden artist in you should come out at the end of this video. I'm waiting for that. Come on, without wasting time, let us get into the video. So guys, now what are you seeing are certain pictures I have drawn by using Adobe Draw. They all are freehand drawings, and certainly using various powerful tools in Adobe Draw. I use another software called Procreate also. Now this picture, okay, this is my son, okay, and this is my daughter. This I just drew samples by using Procreate, and this is a beautiful picture my daughter drew on the board one day. I clicked it. Anyway, this is what you are currently seeing, is called the scribble art, and you must have noticed that there is no outline, rather we are just scribbling and creating the pictures, especially portrait, and this is the picture we are going to take the tutorial today. So open Adobe Draw, and once we open it, we have to take a blank page, okay, like this, and then select our tools. These are the various types of scribblings that we can do while creating our scribble art. So whatever is feasible for you, whatever you are feeling like good with you, you can go ahead with that particular scribble styles. You can even mix up various scribbling styles in order to get a perfect view, whatever you feel like. So guys, a mixture of all these styles might give, I feel like, a heterogeneous effect. Okay, let us start now. First of all, it's a blank page, and I've reduced the page in order to create a background. Basically, Adobe Draw comes with a white background, so I'm just drawing the margins and going to fill this white paper with a black background color, over which I'm going to complete my portrait. So as Adobe is giving white paper background and transparent background, I will have to create a black background. So it's a closed picture, and once you click in the middle, it will fill automatically to give black color. Let us choose the next layer, okay, and that is the image layer. I'm trying to bring an image from my iPad's gallery, and this is the reference picture right now. Let me position the picture exactly by looking at the margins perfectly, so that the picture is not outside the margin and covered well in the view field. Okay, so now the picture is in the position. Let me make a new draw layer, and there I'm going to select my brush, which is white in color. Okay, so after that the opacity should be kept maximum and the brush point is reduced to minimum, and all the white glary parts of this picture I'm just going to scribble right now. As you can see, there is no particular pattern, just scribbling the white areas of the picture. So I can see this white area of the eye. So you must have noticed that the edges should be looking much more perfect. So be careful about while drawing the boundaries between two various shades in the reference picture. So now I feel like the eye is almost done. The tip of the nose is a bit okay. So all the most white glary parts of the picture I'm going to draw with the white with an opacity of 100%. So it's going on the forehead area. And all right, this I will be continuing, and let me fast forward the video so that you will just follow what is the real method. Okay, now it is the time to draw less lighter areas and take a new layer with opacity 75%. Okay, so the white color will not be that prominent, it will be a bit light in color. All right, so the previous one was bright white, and this is a bit light as the opacity is a little less, and that is used for drawing next areas where the color is a bit faded in the reference picture. And this way we have to draw most of the light parts of this picture. And let me fast forward the video again till we reach the next checkpoint. Now we have to select a new layer with white color opacity around 55%, and setting the brush size properly. We have to select the areas which are little more dark, less light, darker areas, and the scribble should continue to fill the So now we have completed drawing, and double click the image layer, it will mask, and we are going to save the image into our gallery. Okay, so once it is saved, we will get our drawing intact there. So this is what we can see our drawing in the gallery, and we can add accordingly. If you find like you want to give some more additions, you can just add the black colors and whatever you feel like into the areas which you would like to fill. And this is the previous one which I drew, and of course this was just with less time, so I have selected some more pictures in order to make much drawings. And that's all, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.